Downloading data from Threads can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Open Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your data. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually found in the Profile section or the main menu. Tap on it to access various options related to your account. Step 3. Find Data Download option. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option for Data Download or Download Your Data. Select this option to proceed. Step 4. Request data. Follow the prompts to request your data. You may need to confirm your identity through a verification process such as entering a password or receiving a code. Step 5. Download your data. Once your request is processed, you will receive a notification or an email with a link to download your data. Click on the link and follow the instructions to save the data to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Threads. Make sure to keep your data secure and review it regularly.